Welcome, fruit enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the world of nutrition to discover the 5 essential food groups that help keep our bodies healthy and strong. Our first food group is fruits. Fruits explore the vibrant array of fruits, from juicy apples and sweet strawberries to tropical pineapples and tangy oranges. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, fruits are nature's delicious gift to us. They're as refreshing as a sip of fresh fruit juice on a hot summer day. Next up is vegetables. Vegetables dive into the rainbow of vegetables, from crunchy carrots and leafy greens to colorful bell peppers and nutritious broccoli. Rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, vegetables are essential for maintaining a balanced diet and supporting overall health. They're as satisfying as a crisp, garden-fresh salad on a sunny afternoon. Moving along to grains. Grains. Discover the hearty goodness of grains, including whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, oats, and whole wheat bread. Packed with fiber, carbohydrates, and essential nutrients, grains provide us with energy to fuel our daily activities. They're as comforting as a warm bowl of oatmeal on a chilly morning. Finally, let's not forget about dairy. Delight in the goodness of dairy products like milk, cheese, and yogurt, which provide us with calcium, vitamin D, and other nutrients crucial for bone health and overall well-being. They're as comforting as a creamy cup of yogurt topped with fresh berries.